Okay, now onto the pud. So after all that cooking, it's a fairly simple pud. So we got our mum's recipe lemon yum, as it's Mother's Day. We've got some ginger biscuit, some lemon curd and some chocolate. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mound up my lemon yum in the middle. It's a bit like a kind of messed up trifle in essence, without the jelly, I guess. And we're going to sprinkle the crumb all the way around. Yeah, well, there we go. Okay. I've done it again. Put the chocolate in with the warm lemon curd, which is quite funny for the video. And then we just sprinkle it over. Something like that.